This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST327VIK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 36 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 11, LP detector, Slideout, water heater, smoke detector, awning, refrigerator, skylight, microwave, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST327VIK is 8,770 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST327VIK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.